third grade class. We are your hosts for December's award ceremony.
Hi, I'm George. Our first awards are the Wildcats of the Month and Service Above Self. The Wildcats of the Month are given to two students in first, second, and third grade. The Service Above Self award goes to a third grader who gives back in some way. Here's our counselor, Mr. Graver, to present these awards.
Hey Wildcats, Mr. Graver here, and we're here to announce the winners for our December awards. So we'll start with our Service Above Self. And as a reminder, we want to thank the Rotary Club who sponsors that award. And this award goes to a third grader who goes above and beyond with their behavior and their actions. So our Service Above Self for the month of December is Lane Parrish. Congratulations to Lane. And then our Wildcats of the Month, which is a reminder, are sponsored by Excalibur Contracting and Mike Johnson. So we want to thank all the crew there for sponsoring those awards. So we'll start with our first grade Wildcats of the Month. And our recipients for December are Haley Wilson and Bentley Booth. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Oakley Watson and Kobe Wilson. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Maverick Doe and Bailey Widner. So congratulations to all those winners. And finally, for the Counselor Award, Mrs. Sumner and myself pick one class every month that we feel demonstrates kindness and great behavior and great choices. So for December, I picked a class that really showed honesty in one of our lessons. So for the Counseling Award for December, I picked Miss Carpenter's third grade class for the honesty they showed in one of our lessons.
I'm Esther. I want to tell you about our Bright Futures the Barrel collection for January. We are collecting classroom snacks, which we will use right here at HES.
I'm Lane. Next up are our Character Trait Award winners. The Character Trait Awards are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who exhibited empathy during the month of December. Here's our principal, Mrs. Shrout, to announce this month's winners.
Hi guys, it's Mrs. Shrout, and I have your Character Trait winners for December. Haley McKernan, Henry Stevens, Maylee Ingracia, Tinsley Glenn, Adelie McClanahan, Mason Smith, Ella Babb, Caden Garlock, Chloe Campbell, Nate Jones, Eloise Cruz, Cooper Saunders, Ricky Jones, Franklin Newsham, Aria Wolford, Lacey Parrish, Christina Kildo, Jackson Taylor, Maggie McCracken, Adelida Smith, Connor Endicott, Oakley Watson, Brinley Banks, Fletcher Huckabee, Scarlett Bridges, Everly Connard, Cooper Frazier, Ava McGuire, Hadley Sexton, Easton Swift, Cassidy Irvin, Addison Doherty, Raymond Trusty, Mary Gentry Sleister, Zendaya Millentree, Clara Bross, Riley Miller, Faith Malone, Ella Baldwin, Maximus Stearns, Faith Clifton, Bo Starforth, and Bentley Duffy. Great job, guys!
I'm Ava. I want to let you know that we have a Culver's night this month. Join us at Culver's on Thursday, January 23rd from 5 to 8 p.m. All tips at 10 receipts will help us with our field day this week. I'm Hadley, and our Mathematician of the Month is the next award. This award is given to one of the students chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Here is an assistant principal, Mr. Hall, to announce our winners.
All right, thank you. I'm excited to announce the Mathematicians of the Month. So for December, we had in Miss Brown's class, Alan Heinbach. Caldwell's was Avery Mesplay. Cooper's class was Sophia Cope. Miss Hearn's class, Zane Everhart. Miss Maxwell's class, Quincy Flagel. Mitchell's class, Aiden Leisure. And Miss Wilson's class was Easton Payne. For second grade, we had Miles Menino, Carly Scoville, Henry Brown, Oleana Wetzel, Charlotte Doherty, Eli Collins, and Hope Arnold. And in third grade, we had Ava Plant, Jonathan Guzman, Ava Middlemoss, Keegan Reinhart, Riley Lucero, Weston Blake, Olivia Johnson, and Kyson Sleen. Congratulations, guys.
I'm Eli, and I'm here to introduce our special teachers to present the awards. Here are Mrs. Holman, Mrs. Norman, Coach McInnes, and Mrs. Lawman.
Hello HES, Coach Mack here, and I'm excited to announce the PE Sportsmanship Award winners for the month of December. So the first grade class winner is Miss Mitchell's class, the second grade class winner is Miss Gerke's class, and the third grade class winner is Miss Hopper's class. Congratulations, Wildcats. Keep up the great work.
Hi Wildcats, Mrs. Norman here to give you the Musicians of the Month for the month of December. For first grade, we have Cohen Daniels in Mrs. Wilson's class. Second grade is Maddie Harrell in Mrs. Hastings' class. And third grade is Hadley Sexton in Mrs. Boland's class. Congratulations.
Hi Wildcats, this is Mrs. Lawman from the library. For the month of December, I have selected a class that is kind, has been showing responsibility in turning books in. They have been so respectful. I enjoy having them come to the library. I have chosen Miss Selesky's second grade class. Congratulations.
Hello Wildcats, I'm so excited to announce the classes who displayed amazing creativity. Congratulations to Mrs. Caldwell's, Mrs. Knight's, and Mrs. Boland students. Have a nice day.
Finally, I'm Cindy, and we want to remind you that we have one day off this month. It's Monday, January 20th. Don't forget to mark your calendars for no school on that day.
My favorite activity was making a snowman with my brother and sister.
My favorite activity was going with my dad, plowing snow with him.
My favorite snow day was going sledding with my family.
My favorite activity was making a snowman.
My favorite activity was learning piano.
My favorite activity was drinking hot chocolate. My favorite activity was probably studying. My favorite snow day activity is going ice skating.
My favorite snow day activity is doing a snowball fight with my family.
My favorite snow day activity is building a snowman.
My favorite snowman activity was building a snowman with my two sisters and making my mom and dad sigh because we used blueberries and a carrot for real life.
My favorite snow day activity was sledding.
My favorite snow day activity was sitting inside and doing my homework while drinking hot cocoa.
My favorite snow day activity was playing in the snow with my sisters.
My favorite snow day activity was making snowballs and putting Kool-Aid jammers on it.
My favorite snow day is building my snowman with my sister.
My favorite activity was getting a makeup kit.
My favorite snow day activity was making snow ice cream with my daughter.